Welcome to Debouncing versus Throttling in TypeScript, an autism-friendly tutorial where we'll clearly compare these two timing techniques and walk through how to use them in your own TypeScript projects. No rushing, no jargon, just calm, clear coding. We'll break this into 4 steps. Let's start with step 1, why we even need debouncing or throttling. Imagine you're typing in a search box. Every single keystroke triggers a new network request. That's not good. It's slow, inefficient, and can even crash the browser. That's where debouncing and throttling come in. They help control how often a function gets called. Debouncing waits. It delays the function until after the action has stopped for a set amount of time. If the event keeps firing, the timer resets. It's like waiting until someone finishes talking before you respond. Here's my code to implement debouncing in TypeScript. Feel free to pause this video here to study it. Throttling limits how often a function runs, even if the event keeps firing. Imagine you're at a crosswalk button. Pressing it 20 times in a row doesn't make the light change faster. It only responds every X seconds. This is useful for scroll events and resize handlers. Here's my code to implement throttling in TypeScript. Feel free to pause this video here to study it. That's the difference between debouncing and throttling, clear, visual, and practical. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.